Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview of this Tozy LED Frisbee. Pretty cool for the old nighttime, either Frisbee golf or just Frisbee or whatever you want to do where you want to be outside and utilize this pretty cool device. Comes in a variety of different colors. It just happens to be the old green, and you can adjust how long after it stops spinning. Here it is set to 8 seconds. That was probably about 8 seconds. And you can adjust the overall brightness, just 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have anywhere from 0 seconds. So this would be 8. Then you have all the way down to 0 seconds. So as soon as it stops moving, it turns off instantly. And there's a couple different brightness modes. And it's basically a USB-C plug that's right here on the back. And then it charges. And when it's at rest, there's no on or off button. And but at nighttime, it's pretty cool. You know, throwing it back and forth takes some getting used to because you have this super bright flying saucer flying at your face. But it's pretty cool. It's extremely bright, and so if you're wanting to do some Frisbee in the evening or just kind of do something fun outside when you would require illumination, this is pretty cool. Hope this answers any questions you might have about this LED illuminated Frisbee, and we'll talk to you soon.